How to copy a Monday.com board. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can copy a Monday.com board. So the first thing that you need to do in order for that is to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And once when you're here, what you can do is you can open up the board that you want to copy. For example, uh, this is the board that I want to copy. Uh, let's just wait for this board to open. Here it go. It has been opened. Now this is the board that I want to copy. Now copying a board is something I would say very easy to do. It's not rocket science, and I would say that it's pretty self-explanatory. So what you need to do is you need to click on these three icons right here, and you won't see any board copy option here. So what you need to do is you need to go here on settings. No, sorry, on more actions. Here you go. You won't find anything relevant in settings as well. So you need to go here on more actions, and then you need to click on duplicate board. Duplicate board is equivalent to copying a board. There's no difference. You don't need to get confused at all because you won't see an option of copy board anywhere on Monday.com. So you need to rely on duplicate board because duplicate board is similar to copying board. You can click here, and here you can write the name of the board that you want to duplicate. So let's just write it as a duplicated board. And here Monday.com is going to give us option. Either we want board structure only, or board structure and the items contained within it, or items, board structure and the updates as well. So that's completely up to us. What do we want? And it will also give us an option of keeping board subscribers if we want to. So we can just click duplicate, and it's going to take some time to duplicate the board, but here it is. The duplicated board is right here. So I selected that the internal data should not be there, so it's just empty, only the structure is there. So we can add more items to it, but if you want to add structures and the items inside, you can also do that. So that's completely up to you, but that's how you copy a board. Let me do one with the structure as well so that you can get the idea of it. Duplicate board, and we need to structure and items. So it's going to do one more, and we're going to see right here. So here you go. This is the duplicated board, copied board with the items as well. So that's how easy it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.